Hello, good afternoon. Good morning to doon.
Good noon.
Good noon. Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my YouTube. Yan.
Be, bye-bye.
We're on the way to Manaol Point here at Ay, ganun dati.
Dawis?
Dawis na yan. Dawis Beach Resort.
Hello!
Ayan. Hello. Oh, kaway-kaway ko yun dyan. Ayan yung mga Borcats group. Ayan. Si Gleber si Margo, si Christiana Ibanca, si Alfera, si Pauline. O si
Hello.
Jan. Ay, si Kuan Christian.
Billy. Wait lang po sa isa.
Oh, sige. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe. And, God. Ayan. So, Saturday ngayon, wala kaming ginagawa. Then, klase na din po. So, sabi nila mahirap daw yung module. Marami na daw nagpapakamatay sa module dahil hindi na naiintindihan. Sabi ko sa kanila, hindi nakalagay dun sa module na kill yourself if you don't understand the module. Why don't you ask the teacher? So the teacher will guide and teach you those difficult steps. I mean, I bet in Fonda. Let it blush on. Yeah. May karami TikTokers kining si Alfera Juan.
Hello.
Yan.
Katsaka ko nakanubot ang tupiin ang puri.
With collaboration of Noynoy Aquino daw.
Participated by Chris Aquino.
Yan. Mga guest speaker. So, on the spot po yung plano namin. So, wala pa dalang pagkain. Only water drinking station. Sponsored by Aquastar. Yan. At saka meron kaming dalang pan. So, yan. Sponsored by Pandipani. Yan. At, yan yung water. Yan yung sponsor ng Aquastar. Yung nagdala, starfish. Ayan. Correct. At kailan pa kuminan ng starfish? Mag-asmak na yung starfish. Kahit nga kipan ka lang.
Ayaw mo kung ano nila bang kahit ikaw ang
Sige namin. Po yung nakalagay, no trespassing, bawal tumahi and bawal magtapon ng basura. Nadaanan lang po namin yan. So, nagkagandahang mga burikat. Ayan. Go! Ayan, may nag-vlog na naman. So, dalawa pa kami nag-vlog dito. So, isa lang yung caption.
Hi, beautiful people. Welcome to Borcats Vlog.
Ayan.
Punta po kami ngayon sa ay ganingaon. Manaol po.
Sa Sana All Point. Ayan. Super fresh po ng dagat, pakasarap pong maligo, kaso lang po super mainit. Ayan! vlog! Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe to Loud and Bantinoy. And please like my FB page, Love Trip ni Del. Ayan. Please check the view here at the West Beach Resort. Ayan po yung mga kasamahan ko yung mga boring cat na yan. Yan sila.
Hello guys! Hello guys!
Ayan, galit na siya. Hindi daw siya kayo nag-subscribe. Ayan.
Sir, doon ako sir. Royal.
Nanito, pag hinahawakan daw yan siya, mahiya daw sila. Ayan. Ayan. Natutulog na sila. Ayan. Ayan po, so we're here at the West Beach Resort. Ito po yung napakagandang tubig po ngayon, Masdan. Tingnan nyo po yan. Ayan, napakaganda po ng dagat. Ayan, super, napaka-fresh.
Kasama dito.
Ayan, dito po kami ngayon sa may Everfresh. Ayan, Everfresh.
Do what you want to. Please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you, pulse speed and my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna face it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true. We make out
So, while naglalakad po kami papunta ng Manaoy Point, nariyan, isa po yung trabaho ko noon, yung ng niyog, din siya. So, kinaugalan niya yung trabaho ko noon. Yan. Ayan po. Ayan, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to like my FB page, Love Trip ni Del. Ayan po. So, ito po yung ginagawa ko noon. Yan po. Okay. So, po yung mga pag-uwi. Yan.
Let's live life without regrets.
Ay, doon siya.
Girl, put your faith in me, even though we just met.
Ginagawa ko, ito po yung tinatrabaho ko noon.
About a curfew, 'cause all that is
When I was
stuck
in
in my
elementary.
head. It's
Yan
me
po.
and you, pulse speed and my heart is
And I
racing,
promised to
but I'm not
myself
sure I
that
wanna face
I will
it,
have to do
'cause
this
it only does
again.
this
It was
with you.
so very
Our
hard
bodies meet, I can
and
feel
so
the
very
tension, move us into the next dimension.
painful
Let's just
and
let our bodies be true.
you can feel everything.
We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have with no regret.
Dito muna kami, pahinga muna kami sandali bago po kami papupunta na po kami sa Manaoy Point. Ayun po sila. Okay. So again guys, don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel and Love Trip ni Del. Yan po. Hello! Welcome to my channel! Please subscribe to Loud and Bantinoy. Please like my FB page, Love Trip ni Del. And guys, so we're heading to Manaoy Point. So, super stress na po this week. So, we have to reach to refresh. Okay? Kasama ko po yung mga furry cats. Yan sila. Yan. Okay? So, sila din po is super stressed na po sila because of the mood yun. Sabi ko sila, laban lang, kaya siya. Now, on the spot po yung plano namin. So, punta na po kami ng Manaoy Point where you can see the beautiful super mainit po ngayon. So, tiis ganda po tayo dito. Okay. Ganito pag mag-hiking. At actually, nag-hiking po kami.
Hiking na to.
Ayan. Yung hiking namin, 12 o'clock.
Siguro, Oh my God! Ang nandun na silang
Ayan, dede na po kami. Wala na pong madaanan, guys. Help! O, 163. Ayan. Saan po kami? Guys, we're at Kalasangan National High School, guys. Ayan, guys. Oh my God. Ganito lang yung hiking, 12 o'clock in the morning.
Street na lang ini sir, kaya ati mag-apos na lang ang
Ay, ganito ba yung nangyari sa amin dito, guys? Tulungan nyo kami, guys. Hindi na naman alam ko sa kanila guys. Ayan, guys. Saan kami din na nag-Christian, guys? Hindi po namin alam kung saan kami punta, guys. Ito po kami yung nagdaan, guys. Marami pong narinig na po namin yung kaluskos ng dagat. Ayan na po. So I think maganda talaga yung pupuntahan namin na view. Ayan guys. Ayan. Ayan na po tayo. Nandito na po tayo sa Malawal Point. Ayan po sila. Guys, super napakaganda po talaga dito. Kahit na nakakapagod po. Okay. Kahit nakakapagod na yan. As you can see, maganda talaga yung area dito guys. Ayan. Ayan. Super napakaganda talaga. Dito po kami sa Manawal Point. Ayan. Actually,